Child life insurance. How much life insurance do I need for a child? The life of a child is the most precious thing that the parents have. Most parents wouldn't even think twice before insuring their child's safety and security, right? But when it comes to insurance policies, many parents are still confused. This is because insurance policies often come with age-based exclusions. But the confusion doesn't end here. There are several insurance policies available for children, each with unique features and features. To ensure the safety of your child, it's always ideal to get the best insurance policy possible. So, without further ado, let's discuss the various insurance policies for children and the coverage required for them. Who should consider buying life insurance for kids? If you are the primary caregiver of a child, it's important to consider purchasing life insurance for your child. This can help ensure the child has financial security in the event of the death of the primary caretaker. Furthermore, secondary coverage provides peace of mind in the event of a death. Secondary coverage helps cover funeral expenses, medical expenses, and other costs not covered by the primary policy. It is essential that you have a conversation with a representative from a life insurance company to learn about coverage options and rates for children. There are numerous policies available for children and each carries unique benefits and costs. It is vital to consider the age and health of your child as well as the term length when making a purchase. Who shouldn't consider buying life insurance for children? Children are not legally bound to their parents, making it more difficult for the child to financially support the family. Children may not be able to provide valid identification. Even if a child is insured, the child's life insurance policy may be large enough to cover the death of the child, but small or no money for the rest of the family. Children may have minimal assets or no assets at all, which would make it hard for the family to pay for funeral expenses or other expenses. A child's life insurance policy is a valuable benefit that can help families cover funeral expenses and other costly situations. However, children aren't legally bound to their parents, making it important for parents to take into consideration the needs of their children when buying life insurance policies for them. When is the right time to buy insurance? You can purchase life insurance policies for your child as soon as the child is born. However, there are a few exceptions where you can't buy insurance for your child. For example, if your child is adopted or under a legal guardian, you cannot buy life insurance coverage for that child. Additionally, if your life insurance policy covers family members and beneficiaries other than children, you can't include them in the policy. You can purchase term life insurance policies for children up to the age of 25. This type of coverage provides a death benefit for a fixed term period ranging from 5 to 25 years. You can also choose universal life insurance for children up to the age of 30. Under this plan, premiums are affordable and death benefits are assured but are dependent on the value of the policy at the time of death. Another option is disability insurance policies for children. These policies provide coverage during periods when children cannot care for themselves due to an injury or illness. Lastly, you can also opt for permanent life insurance policies that cover your child's life until he or she turns 27 years old. They offer lower rates than term life insurance policies and provide death benefits following a term age limit. How do I buy a children's life insurance policy? You may be able to buy a life insurance policy for your child without the consent of the child's parents. When you buy a life insurance policy for your child, make sure the death benefit is high enough to cover the child's financial needs. Also, read the terms and conditions of the life insurance policy carefully to understand the coverage it provides. If you're worried about the financial security of your child in the event of their death, consider purchasing a life insurance policy with a higher death benefit value. This will ensure that your child has adequate financial protection in the case of their death. Speak with a life insurance professional for advice on the best life insurance policy for your family. He can help you weigh the various options and find one that best suits your needs and budget.